Welcome back. Today, we'll learn how to create a scatter chart in Power BI. A scatter chart is special because it's the only chart in Power BI that can be animated by default. By default means the chart is already available in the Power BI visualization pane, ready to use with just one click. Let's start with how to create and use a scatter chart. A scatter chart helps you see the relationship between two numerical values. For example, we might want to look at sales and profit across different subcategories. First, click on the scatter chart from the visualization pane. Add the numerical values to the axes. You'll know it's a numerical value if it has a sum symbol. Put sales on the x-axis and profit on the y-axis. To break down the data by subcategory, add subcategories to the values field. Now, you'll see several bubbles, each representing a subcategory. Hover over a bubble to see details like the subcategory name, sales, and profit. To make the names visible all the time, go to the Format tab and turn on Category Labels. Now, look at the chart. Bubbles higher up show subcategories with higher profit. Bubbles farther to the right show higher sales. Let's enhance the chart, add quantity to the size field. This adjusts the bubble size based on how many items or transactions are in each subcategory. Add category to the legend field. Now bubbles are colored by category, making it easy to compare. Clicking on a category in the legend highlights all its bubbles. Finally, let's animate the chart, add order date to the play axis. Click the play button and you'll see the bubbles move, showing changes in sales and profit over time. You can switch to Date Hierarchy to see trends by year. For this, go to the Play axis. Click on Drop-Down. Select the Date Hierarchy. When you click a bubble, a line will show its sales and profit trends over time. To select multiple bubbles, hold the Control key while clicking them. That's it. We've created an animated scatter chart in Power BI.